Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to learn poem Meadows Surprises in English 1. Meadow means it may be green field or a park or a clump of trees. Now let's begin the poem. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unhold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. Now, students, see, in meadows, you can see many things. But one thing you should be careful that you should observe the meadow very carefully, and as you walk in the meadow, you don't have to make the noise of your foot. You have to walk very slowly. Then and then only you can see the many things that you had not seen in the city, you can see in the meadows. Then you can see the butterfly on the flower sipping the nectar from the flower. Varieties of flowers you are going to see, and even you will see the multicolor butterfly on the flower fluttering from one flower to another and sipping the nectar from flower. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hops, you will. A dandelion whose fuzzy head was golden days ago, who was turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. Now, here the poet says that when you visit the meadow, you will see the rabbit may be sitting very quietly and hiding behind the bushes. But as you tap your feet and make little bit noise, he will jump and run quickly as fast as he could. Then the poet talk about the wild plant. Dandelion is a wild plant whose flower is very beautiful to see, but after 2 or 3 days its petal dry up, and if we are just going to blow that flower, it will flutter in the air. Explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ants' amazing mould. Oh, meadow house surprises and many things to tell. You may discover this yourself if you look and listen well. Then the poet explains us, he asks us that as you visit the meadow, you will see the burrows. Burrows means holes in the ground where the animals live, like a rat, snakes, then rabbits. And even you will see on the trees hanging the nest. Varieties of nest you can see on the trees. And then he again explain you that if you visit the meadows, you will see many more things that he had not mentioned in the poem. But only the one thing you had to keep in mind, that is you had to look, you had to observe it carefully and listen the sounds of the birds, winds and all. With this, students, I had completed my poem. So write this poem in your notebook 2 times in a neat and good handwriting. Now, students, I am going to discuss the question answer of the poem Meadows Surprises. First word meaning meadow. Meadow means hayfield or a grassland. Surprises, unexpected event or fact. Brook, small stream. Nectar, sugary fluid from flower. Scare, great fear. Dandelion, wild plants. Filling the blanks. We can walk softly through the dash. Answer, velvet grass. Number 2. Butterfly unfold the drinking straw and sip dash from flowers. Answer, nectar. Number 3. Meadows have many dash if you look and listen carefully. Answer, surprises. Number 4. In meadows one can see dash in the ground and nest dash on the trees. Answer, borrows, hanging. Number 5. Dash is the name of the poet of the poem Meadow Surprises. Answer, Louis Brandt Phillips. Now match the column. Match A column with column B. Students, direct I am giving you the answer. First one, velvet grass. Answer, soft grass. Number 2, drinking straws to suck the liquids. Number 3, meadow houses. Answer, burrows, nest, anthills, etc. Number 4, amazing mound. Answer, beautiful ant hill. Number 5, fuzzy head. Answer, head with a woolly or downy surface. Now make the sentences. Only I am going to give you the words. You have to make your sentence own. Number 1, to develop. Number 2, to admire. Number 3, to find. Number 4, to save. Number 5, surprises. Make your own sentence, students. Now, central idea of the poem. The poet Louis Brandt Phillips asks us to admire the beauty of the nature rather than to admire the artificial things or beauty and spoiling the environment and harmful the living creature. Day by day our flora and fauna is disappearing from the nature. Students, you have to paste the pictures of birds, insect, scenes mentioned in the poem. Only paste 5 pictures of birds, 5 pictures of insects and 5 pictures of scenes in the notebook. This way we had completed the exercise also. Students, see, you have to learn the full poem. Page number 123. Full poem you had to learn it. So this way I had completed my poem. Okay, thank you.